is a Game Boy Advance SP AGS-101. It may look like a normal AGS-101. See, that looks normal. That looks normal. That looks normal. That looks normal. But if you flip it over here, you'll see a headphone jack, which you don't. You say Game Boy Advance SPs usually don't have headphone jacks. You're right, because I got this baby modded. I got it modded. Yep, I did. You say it may not work. These headphones are tangled. But it does. Let's turn it on. It's the AGS-101 because it goes brighter and brighter. Let's stick it in. Stick it. Both equally as loud. Works 100%. Shout out to Lorenzo from Etsy.